Hello Hungry fam, my name is Akansha and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you 2 hacks to make over a leftover cake. It will not only elevate its taste but make it look very fancy. First let's make a Swiss roll and these are the ingredients we will need. Oil, cake sponge, vanilla essence, milk and whipping cream. In a bowl add half cup of whipping cream and whip it with the hand blender until it's soft peaks. You can use a fork or a whisk as well. Then add half teaspoon vanilla essence and whip till stiff peaks. You can also add sugar if the cream is unsweetened. Transfer it into piping bag and keep it aside. Then in the bowl crush the sponge into small crumbles. If you already have crumbled cake, you can use that. Actually, this hack is not only for a leftover cake but also for the cake sponge which turns out faulty. Now add 1 tablespoon milk at a time and knead into a soft dough consistency. In total, I added 3 tablespoon milk for half kg cake sponge. Then apply half teaspoon oil and knead it for a minute. Transfer the cake dough into a Ziploc bag and spread it out evenly into half-inch thickness. You can use a rolling pin to do so. Make sure it's leveled evenly. Now cut the Ziploc bag. Instead of Ziploc bag, you can use a normal plastic bag as well or even 2 silicone mats. Add the whipped cream over it. Again, we have to layer it evenly into half-inch thickness. Now just roll it like so. Use the plastic to get the tight roll. Refrigerate it for 20 minutes. Then remove it from the plastic. Add a thick layer of whipped cream and decorate it however you like. I'm adding multicolor sprinklers. Pipe out whipping cream. And top it up with sweet cherries or tutti frutti. Then I cut it into mini slices. Looks super cute and like very fancy dessert. It is perfect to impress your guests or your kids. This hack is very unique, very tasty. The cake is perfectly moist and sweet. It is just amazing. Now let's move on to making cake shake. Sounds funny but it's delicious and the ingredients are cake sponge, vanilla essence, milk, chocolate sauce, sugar and chocolate chunks. In a blender add 1/4 cup of cake sponge, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons chocolate chunks, half teaspoon vanilla essence and 1 cup of chilled milk. Blend into smooth consistency. Now decorate any glass with chocolate sauce. Add 2 tablespoon cake crumbs on the bottom. Add 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream. Fill the glass with the shake. Top it up with more chocolate sauce and cake crumbs and just enjoy. It's so refreshing, very chocolatey, perfectly sweet. It's perfectly sweet drink. It hardly takes any minutes to make. It's super simple yet very delicious. So definitely give both the leftover cake sponge recipes a try and let me know your feedback. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe and follow us on Instagram @HungerPlans. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.